don't use the gun because it says don't use a gun because you may over tighten. So you got to use raw power.
It's pretty raw, mate.
I think that's about it for that, mate.
And before you all say it, we know the unit's not very big, the ramp's bigger than the unit, but this is just temporary.
This is temporary until we move into the other one.
Because next door, just through this wall, is the main unit, and this is just to...
It's going to be the main one that we want, but we've got some roof issues, we've got some ground issues, we've got some electric issues. Yeah. We've just got big issues, so we thought, get this one in, get it watertight. We can still film, keep you entertained in the background. We'll obviously keep you updated on that. We're going to work on that and stuff. We've been getting quotes for concrete, so that should be in by the end of the hopefully by the end of the month. Get an electrician in, and we'll just move forward then. Yeah, well, we found a painter. You might already know, you might not already know, but obviously we're going to go and drop it off. But I think he come and seen it the other day, and it was 2 to 3 weeks before we can drop it off. So middle of November. Towards the end of November, we drop that off. That's going to be gone until the new year. So we're going to have to, we thought we need to get the workshop sorted. I think we're going to
finish building up the engine, and then we might have to do a couple of filler episodes.
Well, like I said, we might have to just do a little filler episode where we catch up on what we've done and stuff. Not as entertaining as maybe thingy, but
well, there's a couple of other cars.
It is what it is. But we've got a few projects. You'll be able to see when we get that. We'll put loads of sheets over them all, and we'll show you how many we got. And now, over the next few months until the Cosy comes back, we'll introduce to you why we come up with the name Cartel.
Yeah, haven't been able to show you just yet.
Yeah, because we've had one ramp. Yeah, you've seen that we've got a Cosy and a BMW track car.
There's a few more bits though.
Oh, and the Lancia Data. That's for sale. Anybody's got a few pennies spare. I wish I brought the fucking breaker bar. Excuse my French. This comes out, I give up.
We did go a bit overkill as well on a 4-ton ramp, but we did get it the same go for the same price as a 2-ton ramp, so it's not bad, is it?
Did they not know we're buying a race truck? Remember back in the day? Stokes will be able to relate to this a bit more, I reckon, because he'd probably love this. Remember, like British Touring Car Championship? You used to do a truck version.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Fucking wicked. But you can understand why. No, they don't, because obviously it's the cost of it. Obviously, my 80s and 90s was the don, weren't it? Honestly, just nowadays, people will like kids today will never understand, will they? If we come any more YouTube famous than we already are, I'm gonna buy a big racing truck and start racing team. Where are we at now, Jack? Where are we at? Don't run off. Come on. Come on. Explain what's happened. So basically, we've read the instructions, and the instructions are good, but they don't tell you half the stuff that you need to do. So basically, he didn't tell us we had to take the top part off, to then take the pulley off to feed the wire through. There's different size Allen keys all round, and there's a different size Allen key that's on the pulley. So then you feed the wire down the back, so you come down to this pulley to feed it to go under here to go to the other pulley. But that Allen key at the back there, if you can see it, is a different size to the ones that are up there.
I think it's the same size, but I don't have the size.
Yeah, so now what we've got to do is, because at the moment this isn't exactly secure, everything's still at the other unit, and Yeah, we're gonna have to now go 15-20 minute drive, round trip, just to get a few Allen keys and a few more little bits. Annoying, right Jack? Jack's about ready to quit and go home and call it a day and, I don't know, invest in some more crypto.
Can't even make any money on that.
Mate, I'll give up with it, I have.
Look who's back. Couldn't stay away, could he?
Back and I.
Couldn't trust me and Dave, could he?
No, I could trust you. Just so I know you've been doing it by yourself for a few days till Dave turns up. Dave's on his way, by the way. Yeah? Have you told him?
Who?
About baby Jesus?
I might have done, yeah.
He's here anyway.
He's a new baby Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I've come away, you know, just for a couple of hours. It won't be too long.
We're going to finish the ramp, get that all hooked up, fix the roof, all the holes and leaks.
Yeah.
And then we should be dry and...
We can then start making it look nice then, can't we, Jack?
Yeah.
Make
So,
it look pretty.
we ain't going to bore you, we're just going to crack on.
Yeah. Where's that come from? Oh, chalk?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so...
Let's crack on.
Let's do it.
Mm-hmm. Moment of truth. See if me and Stokes have done this right, and Dave, and we'll just try and lift each other first and see if we can lift a human before we lift the car.
What, and then we fall to our depth when it gets when it gets to the top?
Mm-hmm.
So I presume obviously the lines and the hydraulic ram, well it'd just be the limes,
The limes?
The lines hold a certain amount, and obviously this does, doesn't it? What we've got here, 9 litres technically.
Is it 4.5 litres, I think?
I don't know.
Yeah.
And if that holds 10.
Oh!
See what I did there?
Yeah, it's going down the side of that.
Oh.
You can see we're professionals. Do you have any,
You got any blue tissues? You got
On job,
Oh, mate.
come and done all the easy work, have you?
Yeah, basically.
I'm filming in hope that if one of you gets electrocuted, we've got it on camera.
You've got it plugged in, man.
right,
Do you want to be honest?
right, take that. I'll put this cover back on. Why not doing that? Check before startup, okay? Make sure the columns are plumb and the lifting arms are level. I mean,
Look it.
yeah, they look level there.
Yeah. Dave, got there.
Make sure the lift anchors to the ground.
Oh, I've got the plug now.
All anchor bolts are tightened.
What bolts?
The anchor bolts. Make sure the electrical system feeding voltage is equal to the specified in the nameplate on the motor.
You're just talking gibberish.
Is it?
Just plug it in and give it a go, and if it works, it works, and if it don't, it don't.
In case of the Whoa. Hold on, is that spinning the right? You've got to check that spinning the right. Can you see? Because I'm not doing it.
Done something wrong with that.
No, just keep going.
Are you happy today because he's here? Because you've been having a
I was happy
meltdown.
until you got here.
Probably was, yeah.
If anyone's confused about why we didn't know how much we need, pour oil in the tank, about 10 litres more than one time. These instructions are not the one. I think it is Chinese translated into English quite badly. So, off to the shop we go again. Oh, it's going.
Yeah! Sit on it. Can you get them out of range and put it on? He said try something small first. But you're van a company van anyway. Pulls off, it's your problem, isn't it?
Go and stand on that other one. Jack, go on.
That's sped it up.
Come on. Oh mate, that's gone way quick now.
First hang off it. Get your legs up.
Hang off it, Jack.
Quite a weird feeling actually. You need the weight of a whole cart.
You've got to put it down and up a few times before you put a car on it. Anyway.
No, I'm saying, but if there was a weight of a car.
You're saying once it goes down, we can put this guard on?
Yeah.
I've done this by myself.
Yeah, I bet you have.
I literally put myself in arm.
Have you got life insurance now? You got a little nipper? No, I suggest you do because you know you have an accident prone.
I have a bit accident prone. Me and Dave might kill you as well.
Why would you do that?
Because apparently, if you die in our company, we get a bit of the cut. We get a cut because of trauma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Send it back up, mate.
No.
What are you doing?
Things we do for content.
Well, it's not just content, it's to stop leaks, mate.
Yeah, for content. Things we do for you YouTube people.
Yeah.
Endanger ourselves. No point in that anymore, are you?
I am. Test it out, mate, see if you fall through. Just don't stand in the middle. Yeah, they're a bit rotten, them boards are. I ain't gonna lie. Right, yeah. Do you know what this is?
You've got no wonder your little one's got a cone in it.
Takes after his dad.
Takes after his dad. Oh, kid, you're doing yourself no favours hanging that out. You'd be like me cutting holes in the side and letting me stick out that.
You get the right size.
Just get up there and get this sorted.
I need me Darth Vader, man.
That's my favourite tape measure as well.
You split your hazmat suit. You're gonna die. Under your arm. There you go. You've been really stressed out this week, you?
Oh,
a little bit bald on the back there, mate. Oh. We flip reverse now.
1500.
You quit your job. You don't want to be up there now. Listen, you should be up there because you're shortest, so you can stand up on there. You look like something out of a Bond movie. All about health and safety. He's got a foot up.
you saying?
We're still here. Stokes. Rich has had to dash off because obviously he's just had
a baby.
A baby. Yeah, I was going to say newborn. He's just had, his son's only just been born, so he's had to rush off. You know, all hands on deck. Basically, we've, as you would have seen, we've been up in this section, filling in little holes and stuff.
You can't actually tell on camera.
Yeah, you can't actually tell, but we filled it in because we had like quite a few leaks. From this side, it's not been so visible for us to see because there's no light coming in. So we're basically trial and error now. We've got to wait till it rains, which shouldn't be long, it should be a couple of days and it rains. We'll come down, we'll have a little look for where it's coming from. We'll maybe bring some chalk down and do a few circles around them. Then as soon as it's dry, we'll know where to silicon up and put a few more bits in. But yeah, the ramp's in.
Yeah.
Ramp's in, happy days.
So as soon as it's dry, we can paint the floor.
Paint the floor.
Do the matting.
Do the matting and yeah.
Maybe bring the cartel.
No, we ain't coming down here. We'll get a proper one, we'll get a good one made. Can't believe it.
Your mates don't cry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bless him. Bless him.
This might not be the end of this episode, I might put a few more bits on, but
yeah,
we'll have to see how we get on.
But yeah, for today we're done. Yeah. So yeah, please like, follow, share and subscribe.
As always.
As always.